Welcome to Insight Hub. In this video, we are providing root mean square deviation definitions and the formula. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of notes and other things as well. So if you are looking for this, contact us anytime. In this video, we are discussing about the root mean square deviation. Root mean square deviation is so as we have discussed in the previous notes about the standard deviation. So that was the positive square root of the average of the squares of the deviation. But in this case, if we take the deviation from the assumed mean, then it is called the root mean square. Means that we are finding the deviations. We have take the deviations from the assumed mean. So this is actually we are taking from the mean, which is a equal to mean. It is called the root square mean square deviation. It is defined as the root mean square deviation, and in this case we use this formula. For the case of the frequency distribution, we will use, instead of n, we will use sigma f, and we will multiply by the sigma f. This is the frequency formula, and if you need any other help or if you need notes, you can contact us anytime.